Hi students, so I'm going to give you a little tutorial on how to use MindMizer for your project. So you're going to open up a web browser and you're going to type in mindmizer.com. Once you get there, you're probably going to have to create an account, but after you've done that, it's going to lead you to a page like this. Then you're going to open up the plus button for a new map. So here we are with a new map. So you're going to label this first bubble. You're going to put your name. So you can put your name and personal movement preferences. From there, you're going to click the plus button, and you're going to have a bubble that says personality traits. And then you're going to have another bubble that says causes, and another bubble that says effects on personal movement preferences. So once you have all of that done, you're going to move back to your personality traits and you're going to add a bubble. From here, you're going to add things that are in your personality. So, for example, shy or analytical or hyper. So those are things for my personality traits. You'll have a whole different list of other personality traits that is about you. So now after you finish your personality traits list over here on those bubbles, you're going to go to the causes. From here, you're going to take your personality traits. So for instance, shy, you're going to write something that you believe made you shy. So for me, it would be religion. And then you're going to go to your next personality trait. So mine is analytical, and I'm going to write school/college. And for hyper, I'll put diet, because I eat too many sweets. Okay, after you finish your causes, you're going to come over to this bubble, effects on personal movement preferences, and you're going to write things from these personality traits and how that affects your personal movement choices you make. So maybe for shy, that makes me like to stay in a small kinesphere. You have to use your correct dance terminology here. Oh, it doesn't want me to put kinesphere. Well, it's kinesphere. Okay, so then next we have analytical. So maybe analytical makes me want to be very direct in my movement. And then hyper. So maybe that makes me like to move really quick. So these words come directly from your personality traits, yeah? Except this would say kinesphere. That's okay. Okay, so now that you have kind of your little bubble done, and yours will have a lot more in-depth thought into it, but you're going to make your bubble a little bit more fun, yeah? So for instance, this blue bubble, maybe I want to make it pink, or make the writing pink, or maybe I want to change the font size, or put it in a bold, put a heart with it, change the background color. So all these things, and then you can do the same with personality traits, causes. Whoa, where'd that go? Okay, goodbye. Where'd it go? Well, here it is. So you'll change all the little colors and make it kind of cute and make it more aesthetically pleasing. And that is all you have to do with that. Okay, thank you guys.